In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail light bulbs on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the tailgate. To detach the taillight assembly from the vehicle body, remove the two bolts with a ratchet and an 8mm socket. Then pull on it to disengage the retaining lugs from their slots. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To remove the light bulb sockets, turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. You can now remove the light. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To remove the 3157 turn signal bulb, simply pull on it. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb, put the new light bulb in the socket. To remove the 3157 brake tail light bulb, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb, put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the sockets into the tail light housing. And then turn them clockwise to lock them in place. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the two holding bolts back in. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.